How to change autofill address on iPhone. To autofill the address on your iPhone, first of all, go ahead and open up Settings on your iPhone. Then, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. After that, find the Safari application. Then, tap on it. Here, you need to scroll down to the autofill option and tap on it. Then, go to the Use Contact Info option. Toggle on the option. Now, Safari will use your basic information to autofill. Minimize the page and open the phone app. Here, tap on Contacts. Then, go to your profile. After that, scroll down and see the basic info. To add anything, tap on Edit at the top right corner. Then, you need to make sure you have entered all your basic informations here. Once you're finished, tap on Done at the top right corner of your screen. By following these simple steps, you can easily change the autofill address on your iPhone.